Hey guys, it's Fernanda here. So quick and honest review on this handheld car vacuum. This is a cordless rechargeable vacuum and it is a 4-in-1 handheld strong power suction and a blow device. So you can vacuum with this device and also blow out air. It has different functions. You can use a blow nozzle, the suction nozzle, and it also has some nozzles with the brush so you can clean your keyboards or any kind of difficult area to clean. It has a suction nozzle, an air bleed nozzle, an inflatable nozzle, and a felt brush. So this is perfect to have in your car, especially my little brothers make such a mess in my car, so I always have this vacuum in handy. And I just love it because it's super strong and it cleans my car super well. And I also love that it comes with a replacement battery. So if one runs out, you can already have the other one charged and ready to go. And I just absolutely love that it comes with a ton of different attachments. And here I'm just showing you guys how it blows air in my hair. And here I'm just gonna show you how it suctions super well. So overall, I think that this vacuum is great quality. I really liked it. And I think this is great to have in any car to clean up mess, or even for your house, a cordless vacuum, it always comes in handy. So if you're looking for a cordless vacuum, definitely check out this one.